Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. In this video, I'll be showing you unlocking hidden features, advanced online banking tools you never knew existed. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. Now, the online banking tools you never knew existed on the Chase Bank is first is spending insights and budgeting. Where to find it is simply head over and tap on the accounts option, and then you find an option that says spending and budgeting. Then once there, automatically categorize your spending, monthly trends and component reasons, and custom budget with alerts when you close to the limits. Why is it powerful is no manual entry and Chase does the analysis for you. Next is credit journey. Simply tap on the more option on the bottom right corner of the screen and select credit journey, and here you'll find free vantage score updates, credit report snapshots, alerts for inquiries or score changes, personalized tips to improve your score, and hidden perk is checking here doesn't affect your credit. Next is hyper-specific alerts. What you need to do is simply tap on the profile icon on the top right and select alerts and set alerts for purchases over a chosen amount, international transactions, zero activity, password or device changes, bill pay, sent, processed, and for OTP startup alerts for login from a new device. Wait for fraud prevention. Now if you are doing it from your TD Bank, then what you need to do is simply head over and open your TD Bank application and log into your account. Once there, what you need to do is tap on the accounts option, and there you find an option that says spending or insights, and here you can see the automatically categorized spending like groceries, dining and travel, monthly summaries and trends, helps spot over spending patterns, and why it's powerful is no manual budgeting and TD does analysis for you. Next is credit score monitoring. Simply tap on the menu icon on the bottom right and then select credit score. You can see the free vantage score updated regularly, and credit factors are break down and no impact on your credit score. Hidden perk is alerts for changes that could signal identity theft. Now next is advanced account alerts. Where to go is simply tap on the profile icon on the top right and select alerts and set for alerts like live purchases, low balance warnings, jail payments, new device or login attempts, bill pay, sent or processed, and pro tip is to turn on new device alerts for strong fraud protection. Now next is if you are using it from your Bank of America application, what you need to do is simply head over and open up your Bank of America application. Then simply tap on the accounts option on the bottom of your screen and select spending and budgeting. Inside spending and budgeting, then you find the option that says credit score. Simply select that, and then what you need to do is inside spending and budgeting insights you'll find automatically categorized purchases, monthly spending trends and comparisons, helps identity over spending patterns. Now next is free credit score monitoring. Simply tap on the credit score, and there you find core score access, updated regularly, credit factor breakdown like payment history, utilization and age, no proven impact on your credit score. The next is advanced and custom alerts. Simply head over and open up your profile, then select alerts inside, and you can set alerts for purchases over a custom dollar amount, and then you can say low balances, zero payments, new device or login attempts, and bill pay, sent or processed. Their TVs enable new device login alerts for maximum protection. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.